This is Digger. Hi, Digger. Digger is a Catahoula leopard dog. He likes to cuddle. He doesn't know that he's humongous. Huh, Digger? Digger's about 3 years old. He has been fixed. He is smart enough to open a door and take a walk by himself around the shelter. Hi, Digger. Hi, buddy. He's also comfortable with a large group of people. We had a group of our furry friends summer camp kids with Digger. They wanted to put a bandana on him, and he did very well. He's a beautiful boy. Digger probably should be the only dog. He has not gotten along with all of the dogs here. Huh. You're very picky. Do you want to stand up? Come here, Digger. Let's see how big you are. Yes. That's a good boy. Good boy, Digger. Hi.